सब्सक्राइब कीजिए द स्पेशल टीचर चैनल को और इस बेल आइकन को दबाएं हमारे लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to learn about the gifted children and their educational adaptation and accommodation. First of all, what is the giftedness? Giftedness is a complex concept dealing with a wide range of abilities and traits. Gifted and talented children represent the end on the continuum of academic, artistic, social, and scientific ability. Means they have the continuous better performance in their academic, artistic, social, and scientific areas. Certain definition has been given for the gifted children by some scientist. Whitty in 1951 he has given the definition, that is, gifted and talented children are those whose performance is consistently remarkable in any potentially valuable area. Means those children who have regularly and remarkable, means noticeable, means it is not just few margin, with the few margin, it has the huge hype in their performance in a particular area. Those children can be said as a gifted and talented children. According to Golfer, gifted learners are those who by virtue of outstanding abilities are capable of high performance in academic areas, creative or productive thinking, leadership, visual and performing arts, and psychomotor functioning. So this is in these area the gifted learners have high performance with the outstanding abilities. So there are some characteristics through that we can define the gifted children. Some of them are they are able to rapidly acquire, retain, and use the large amount of information. Based on their wide base of information, they are able to make the judgment which is quite relevant to the particular conditions and situation. They are able to perceive the operation of large system of knowledge, means already they have a wide range of information. Then they are able or capable to use that information in a action. They are able to acquire and manipulate abstract symbol systems, such as they are very good in understanding the coding and in the physics or chemistry where the huge number of symbols, abstract symbols are required. So it is not difficult for them to understand and use. They are able to solve the problems. It's just not the simple solving the problem, but they will come with the new and creative solution of a particular problem. They can able to reason things out, think clearly, recognizes relationship, comprehend meaning, and possess the ability to making sound judgment, and also able to generalize the judgment. Then they are demonstrate superiority, means within the class or within the group it can be seen that they are, through their performance and their reasoning, their thinking, they automatically come in the notice compared to the other children of the group or other groups of other children of the classes. Skeptic in nature, means they are able to they are always have the curiosity to asking the question, means whatever they have the knowledge, they are very keen to know everything according to their interest of area. They exhibit the tendency to perform difficult mental tasks and academic work. So whatever the mental task or academic work is there, they are capable to perform very well. Being curious in nature, they are always motivated, hard work and persistent, possess the ability of leadership because their superiority automatically come in the focus, so ultimately they are able to guide the other members of the group or the class. They possess the ability of having logical memory, higher aspiration level, intensive interest and focus. So these are the abilities which are persist or exist in the gifted children. Potential of high energy level by remaining alert, keenly observant and responding quickly. So these are the some characteristics, important characteristics which belong to the qualities of gifted and talented children. For their education, the education system as well as the school system or teaching system have three main approaches for their better education. The three main approaches are ability grouping, acceleration and enrichment. Ability grouping means grouping within the class or internally and other than the class, so the child will get interact with the same level of student or higher level of student, as well as the great knowledge or more knowledge content with the other group of children, with the other children. Acceleration means to speed up their learning process. So this can be done by early school admission as well as early college admission, as well as skipping the grades if the child is able to perform well the 8th standard curriculum. So if the child is in the 5th standard, so we can skip the 6th and 7th grade and ultimately we can put that child into the directly into the 8th grade classroom. So this is the acceleration. Enrichment, through the class or through the curriculum we can provide the different that high quality the content within the curriculum, so the child will able to learn more and more within the same period of time. This can be done in the curriculum, such as we can increase, we can extend the topic or themes or subjects in the curriculum, as well as we will provide the in-depth information or wide information of a particular topic or subject. Then come to the adaptation and accommodation. There are these some programs through that we can make, or these are the programs can make the adaptation accommodation for the education of gifted children. One of the program is internship and mentor program. This program is provide for the student to other than the other school children, where the child can learn the extra knowledge and extra guidance from the experts. Special courses, like if the child has good ability to learn the coding, so except the other children, the child can be enrolled in the coding classes or some other courses which are higher level of learning compared to the general classroom teaching. Junior grade books, that school system or education system should provide the different books which are more knowledgeable compared to the general curriculum books. The international curricular experience, whatever the child is experience the curriculum, so it is within the country, so the program should be arranged where the child can get the experience of the different countries curriculum. That will be helpful the child to learn more and more. Summer programs in the apart from the academic area of learning, the child can be enrolled in the summer program where the child can receive the enriched information and knowledge from the expert as well as in-depth information. So these are the programs and courses through that we can make educational adaptation and accommodation by three the major approaches, such as acceleration, enrichment and ability grouping, which makes the child to provide their level of learning and teaching necessary for their education. Thank you to all.